Welcome to the video guide about LDAP requests in SERAS, Part 1. In this video, we will go over LDAP queries, meaning authorization queries, search queries, and basic create, delete, and modify queries. So, let's break down the simplest search query. For this, you need the search filter attribute. Search filter must be allowed in search request in the configs in advance. The filter supports regular expressions, so you can write any regular as well as logical expressions here. Next, we'll talk about authorization. Currently, you have 3 types of authorization enabled in SERAS. Let's take a look at the most secure ones, tokens and session tokens. To realize regular tokens, you need to go to the Tokens tab and enter your password. After that, you get a token. Once you select this token, you need to enter password from LDAP. When authorizing, you insert the username under which you will log in and the token you have selected. Another way of authorizing is to use a session token. In order to get it, you need to send a special session token query with authorization by a regular token. The server then issues the already created temporary token, with which you can access LDAP. Click Send. Now you have received TTL token. Select and copy it. And then paste it into the authorization field. You send a query. And as we can see in the video, the data has been received. If the token is wrong, invalid, or expired, you will get an error reporting that the token is not valid, and the status code 401 not authorized. Now, let's look at how the attribute allow loose writes works. By enabling it, you will be able to receive all attributes that you request through a query. To do this, click Save, and then Restart. You can now add Read attribute to the query. The following attributes were requested: given name, mail, and ACL. Here on the right, you can see the requested data. If the parameter Allow Loose Writes is disabled, you will receive only those attributes that were specified here in the service. For example, you can see that ACL is missing from the list. The parameter is disabled, the changes have been saved, and the service has been restarted. But you still want to try to get ACL. You can see that ACL is missing from the resulting data. If you want to see it included in the query results, you'll need to add it manually here in the list of requested attributes you saw earlier. Only after adding ACL to this list will the attribute appear in your query results. Next, let's have a look at the parameters paged search and object per page. The paged search parameter allows you to split the response to a query into multiple pages and retrieve these pages using a paged cookie. Here's an example. Object per page was specified to 10 items, but you get only 3 objects according to the filter you set. In this case, the paged cookie will have a value of null. This means that there are no more pages available as all objects received from your request fit on one page. If you set object per page to 1 and send a query, then the paged cookie has a value other than null, and only one object is visible on the query results page. Now copy and paste the paged cookie with the value and send a request. You will get the second object. Sending the query again will get you the third object. Now the object per page value is set to 10. Let's send the query. The paged cookie has a value of null because all objects fit onto one page if the object per page value is changed to 1. There will be only one object on a page. Also, you see here the paged cookie with a value different than null. Let's add this value to the query. Click Send. After sending the query 3 times, you will get the paged cookie with a value of null, which means that there are no more objects left to display from the query. The next query sent with the same paged cookie value will show you the status code 204, no content.